Now we will learn how to apply the new glow text effect. So first, select the type tool and click on the program monitor to type a text. Press escape key, then V to go back to selection tool. You can customize its font size, font, alignment, fill color, stroke color. Stroke density as you need. Now make 2 copies of this layer by pressing Options or Alt on Windows. Now go to the Effects tab and search for Gaussian Blur and drag and drop it on both the copied layers. Now select the first copied layer and head over to the Effects control panel and under the Gaussian Blur option, increase the blurriness to somewhere around 150. Now select the top layer and again head over to the Effects control panel and increase the blurriness to somewhere around 50. Now select both these duplicate layers and right click and then click on Nest and give it a name and click on OK. Now select the razor tool by pressing C on your keyboard and make some random cuts on this nested layer. Now press V to go back to the selection tool and delete the alternate clips. Now make a cut on the original layer where you want to end this effect. Now press V to go back to selection tool and select the left part of this original layer and go back to properties panel and uncheck fill option as we only want a stroke in this area and decrease the opacity to somewhere around 50%. This is how you can create the neon glow text effect in Premiere Pro.